Here I'll show you latest Bitcoin arbitrage on Binance, and take this video as educational purpose. This is just my personal opinion and what I came across on Binance. And let's get into this video. Right here, come to this wallet, and on this wallet you can use these videos currency you want, but in this video I'm going to be using Naira. That's Nigeria currency. And right here I'll show you how to get your Naira into your account using depositing mode on Binance. And I've already made a video about this if you want to know how to deposit money into your Binance account directly from your bank account. I'm going to leave the video in the video description so you can watch it out later. So right here, I'm going to press this, and right here, this BTC NGN, that's Naira pair, and this USDT pair, Naira pair. Right here, we are not using this USDT, we are using this BTC, and you press this BTC pair, and you'll be able to buy 200,000 worth of BTC at this price. Copy at this price. So at this rate, you'll be getting this amount of BTC. Then you come to this P2P, navigate to this P2P over here, and switch to this. Come over here, change to BTC, and again come to this sell BTC already. And the reason why I show you the first step earlier, you will be able to buy from that marketplace and sell to this P2P over here. So I want you to grab something, price of BTC. If you want to sell to this guy over here, you'll be selling at 41,100,000 plus at this rate. So remember, you're able to buy on marketplace. I'll go back again. On marketplace at this price, 40,626,900 on 900. And right here, once you buy this, you'll be able to sell at this price. Sell 01986. So that's the price you'll be able to sell your BTC on the P2P marketplace, and you just need to press the amount of BTC you'll be selling it to in Naira value. And right here, you remember you bought this BTC right here with 200,000, and immediately you'll be making 2,000 plus profit doing these steps. So right now, you go back to this P2P and again come to this sell option, because you'll be selling your asset to people who want to buy from you. And this is the catch: if you want to make a significant amount of money, you have to buy a bulk of BTC. So right here, until you'll be able to trade with this first guy over here, you need to have equivalent amount of 2 million worth of BTC. So I will go back again, and once you come over here, if you have BTC 2 million, you can't provide 2 million immediately. You just need to, again, you can buy this 10 times or 20 times. I'm just trying to let you know how much you'll be able to make. If I go back again to this BTC pair, change this to BTC pair, and the more I scroll down, the more you'll be able to buy 1.5 million. The price is decreasing, and the more I scroll down, 300,000, the price is decreasing right here, and the price is going down 100,000. You see, this price is not profitable again if you are trading with this guy over here with lower price. You can buy from them, but with this guy over here with 2 million, then we need to go back again. The price has changed, 41 million and 41,041,000. So right here again, you go back and change this price I already changed. If I want to buy worth of 2 million right here, BTC worth of 2 million, BTC worth of 2 million, I will be getting this amount. 1, 2, 3. I'll be getting this amount of BTC, and right here I'm going to switch. So right here, this is the price you'll be selling on P2P marketplace, and you remember you receive this amount of BTC once you buy with 2 million, and you'll be selling at this price. And this is the amount of naira you will get in your account once you sell on to P2P marketplace, and that's going to be 24,000 worth of BTC profit you gain in single trade if you are able to buy this 2 million in a trade. If this is profitable to you or a lot, you can actually do your own research to know your risk to reward or your tolerance, if actually 24,000 is a lot to you or not, trading this 2 million per one trade. Remember, you can trade up to 50 million or more than that. So before you take any step, make sure you do your own research and go and meet your financial advisor to advise you. Just take this video as educational purpose. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn up your notification bell. And if any point in time you don't understand what I'm saying or you disagree with this strategy, let me know in the comment section. And as you can see over here, 40,620,000 is the price over here. You'll be able to buy this right here. And if you go to this P2P, if it goes to this P2P and I change to this and BTC, you'll be able to sell at this price, but at 2 million worth of naira punk price. So that's what is the difference between this. And the more you scroll down, the lesser the rate and the less profitable this is going to be. I'm going to be in the comment section to know what you think about the strategy, and if you know about any other strategy, you can let me know, and I'm going to see you on the next video.